Hello everyone, welcome to the KZV company. So today we have made hatchery out here. Basically this hatchery is made with the thermostat of W1209 molecule. So I'm going to show you that. Sorry for the messed up room. So in the first point I would like to show you this is a 12 volt AC to DC plug. So this is generally for this is a thermostat W1209, this one. So basically we're gonna connect this 12 volt to supply the power on it. As you can see, it is on. And next there is this kind of power supply, which is 220 volt for the bulb. So it cannot generate the 220 bulb, so it generates only for the fan and the molecule of W1209. So we're gonna plug it right there. When we plug it right there, when you plug 220 volt, so basically it will start the bulb getting progress inside it. So let me show you the next one. So I have written here all the components, how it's connected. You can see there, right there. So they're in thermostat W1209 module, this one. Yeah, this module, you can see the temperature is rising. It is now 23.5. so inside it, as you can see, there is 4 screw right there, K0, K1 plus 12 volt and ground volt. So basically we need to connect that to the bulb and the 12 volt power supply. So here is overall draft how I connected it to each other. So as you can see, the K01 is directly connected to the 112 volt, 120 volt, and plus 12 ground volt is connected to 12 volt. Now I'm again telling you that the 12 volt DC plug is only for this W1209 thermostat and 12 watt fan. Do not directly connect it to the 220 volt, otherwise it will be short circuit. So as you can see, the temperature is rising inside the hatchery. So basically I have this tube right over here. This tube basically it's for the general purpose to control the humidity inside it. So let's go inside and see how I have plugged in. So basically, as you can see right there, I have a fan and a bulb right there. The fan is moving in speed, but yeah, the camera frame rate is slow. This is how it works right here. This tray, this bulb is of 60 watt. As I calculated how it contains the heat inside it, this bulb have a water, and this is for the egg. As you can see, the egg, this side is bigger, this side have big holes for the chicken egg, and when you turn it back, this side have a little hole right here for the quills and small eggs. And I have managed to plug the wire out here to top right there, from which I have given access. So in fan, we produce the heat from there to all over here, and from downwards it goes to up, and in the center there is my sensor. When I put that sensor in middle, the basic thinking of mine is that in middle the heat stays, where the first tray and second tray are little bit upper and downward through the sensor. So I'll show you how it works. So basic temperature is 27.6 right now. 27.6. I have something like 38.8 temperature. Now when there is 28.0, as you can see from this, the light is on. I'll show you that. The temperature is 29.8 right now, and as you can see, the light is on right over here. We can see light over there is the inside light. Now is about 30.3 degrees centigrade. The light can be seen right over here inside that bulb light I have fit in there. So temperature is rising. It will be closed when it's about 38 point something Celsius centigrade. That centigrade is for the chicken to has their baby inside the hatchery. So this is from electronic how we're gonna hatch our eggs. So this is just for demonstration purpose. There are not any eggs inside it. So let me show you the graph right over here. I have built in so it could be easy for me to understand how the connection are over made. You can see it clearly how I have made that connection. The fan is directly connected to the 12 volt. I have not connected fan to post 12 volt and ground volt. Now the K0 is directly connected to 20 volt, and the bulb wire is connected to 220 volt. After that, one bulb wire is connected to K1, and K0 is directly connected to 220 volt. This is very simple, guys. So you can make it at home. You can make it at home. So this is my first video on YouTube that how I have made my hatchery. So that's why my language is little bit not better, sorry for that. So as you can see right over here, there is 33.1. so I have choose the refrigerator for the hatchery because uh, it is the best conductor for cooling, right? Then as you can understand, if it is the best conductor for cooling, then it is also the best conductor for heating, because inside it, although its outside is covered with steel plastic and metal coverage, but inside that there is thermocol, which makes it even good. And outside the thermocol right over there, here inside that there is another plastic shield which makes the heat contaminated inside it, or on other words, it can store the light over there. So as you can see, it is about 34.7 degrees centigrade. I'm pausing the video, and when it is complete, I'll show you the process. As you can see now, there is a slight difference. There is 37.3 degrees Celsius. When it is 38, the light will turn off eventually. As you can see, I'll show you the proof that light goes off right there. Here is the a light ray coming out from inside the refrigerator that I have made. Now as you can see, when it's turned 38, the light will turn automatically off, and the process of the fan will automatically begin to cool down. And when it is cooled down, on other words, may I say it, when it's cooled down, when it's down the 38, when it's below the 38, the light will again turn on. And when the increase there is as you can see, when the sensor detects that there is above the level of 38.0, then the light automatically close. I'll show you from the front. Right there, the light is off. The temperature is very heat out there, but when I open it, the temperature, the heat, I can feel it, it's coming out. So when the sensor detects that the heat are overblowing outside, when the temperature is low, then 38, then it will again give a bulb a light, as you can see it is again on, because I have opened the refrigerator and the heat are coming out, that's why. So this is the simple process I have made. And you can keep 50 to 100 eggs in a row by adding a tray right over here, like that. So when it is opened, as you can see, there is a slight difference, 36.2. So that's why it is opened. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you think it's cool, then please like and subscribe my channel. This is my first video.